Hi everyone, welcome to Zoonova. In this video we're going to take a look at Illumina right here, and ILMN is the symbol. We're going to be using the Zoonova app, which is free to download and use from the Google and Apple app stores, and we're going to be doing this in the ChatGPT window using the latest model from GPT, which is GPT-4o. And we'll start with this initial prompt. I'm going to scroll through and show you different prompts and what the answer is. The initial information that comes out with the first prompt is all the data from the machine learning models that Zoonova uses, and also the follow-up questions 1 through 4 are using both the AI machine learning outputs from Zoonova and also statistical and financial outputs that Zoonova generates. So let's start with the first prompt. Internet links. Next prompt. The additional considerations we're going to take a look at in the upcoming prompts. AI machine learning outputs from Zoonova, which GPT-4o is bringing in. You can see the AI machine learning model outputs are quite bullish. Technical indicator ranks. Candlestick patterns. With the Zoonova app, you don't have to know how to read technical indicator charts or candlestick pattern charts. The AI models do it for you. Model accuracy. New prompt. Now we're going to take a look at more of the mainstream outputs, such as performance, risk, fundamentals, and financial. New prompt. Now we get an analysis of both AI machine learning outputs and statistical and financial outputs. New prompt. New prompt. New prompt. New prompt. Last one. You do get to use the analytics grid, where in this one you can drill down to different tear sheets and charts and scroll across this grid, and you'll get over 200 outputs from the AI machine learning models. Thank you. Hope this helps. And again, you can download the Zoonova app from Google or Apple and get this same analysis completely for free.